Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate it. You guys are killing it. Almost like 300 views on the video last night. And last time I checked there was 22 likes. So you guys almost beat it with almost beat 23 from yesterday. So you guys did super close. That's awesome. And so in today's video, I'm not really going to be talking much because there's a bunch of people, but I'm just going to give you an intro here before I start playing the clips. But basically, I was working on, I finished putting the bench back together, just screwed the lid on, and then strapped the wire up a little bit up to the ceiling, zip tied it to the top plate, and then I couldn't really get to the box that it goes into because there's a bunch of ceiling tiles in the way, so I just coiled it up and left it there and labeled it. And then basically the rest of the day I was working on cutting in boxes. I had to raise these boxes up that had to go above the countertop, and so basically I just left the old boxes and then spliced into it with a wire and cut in boxes, and then just tied it together in the old box, and then they'll cut a hole in the cabinet for it to be accessible. But basically just cutting the data rings in and the plug-in boxes. So that's what I was doing for most of the day. Like the last hour or something, I was working on something a little bit different, but still cutting in boxes. They're adding some under counter lights, so I had to cut in a switch box, a couple of switch boxes. I still have to do some more tomorrow, and then running this low voltage wire over to where the lights are going to be. They're going to be low voltage controlled with a driver box up in the ceiling, and so that's what I will be showing you in the clips. And yeah, so I'll be working on there's a bug in here. I'll be working on the under counter lights tomorrow as well. There is 2 more to go on the 5th floor and then 1 on the 4th floor. So that'll take up some time, and then I'm not sure what I'm doing after that. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and then I'll just do an outro clip. So, alright guys, see you in a second. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and doing something a little different today. But actually I expected it to be a lot worse, but it actually turned out pretty well and enjoyable. Just chill, listening to music, using the multi-tool to cut the boxes in, and then yeah, it was actually really nice and enjoyable, and the day went by really fast. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. See you back here tomorrow. Let's see if we can beat 22 likes from yesterday's video. Thanks for all the support, all the views. I really appreciate it. Puts a smile on my face every time I log in and see all the views and likes. It just makes me happy. So thanks guys so much. It means a lot, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. One more day, 10 hours. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out, guys. If you guys suspected I would be making another clip at the end, you're right, because you know me too well. So anyways, I got the little ponytail again. Actually pretty cute, not really actually. It gets the job done. But yesterday at my friend's, we had a little Thanksgiving party, and my friend put my hair up in actually a man bun on top of my head. It was actually super awesome. I loved it. I looked super great. So I'll throw a picture in here at the end if I remember, fingers crossed. But it was super awesome and I really liked it. So once my hair gets a little bit longer, it'll be easier and maybe I can do it myself, but it was super cool. So I just want to share that with you. No one probably cares, but see you guys later. Thanks.